Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Alright, in today's video we'll be checking out the latest update of the Catizen airdrop. Alright, about how we can claim our token that we are staked. Okay, now to dive into this video fully, before we do that, I want to quickly let you guys know that please, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, consider subscribing to this channel, turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload new videos like this. All right, now I always like to pray for those of you who will just come across my channel for the first time. You watch my video just as you are doing now, and then hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. God will bless you. God will bless you. May the good Lord support you in everything you do. You will find favor. All right, and especially again for my current subscribers, I love you all. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. I love you. God bless you. All right, now let's dive into this video fully. Now, as you can see, this is the update. All right, so we have to read this before we go into the app. All right, just for information sake. All right, so it said, claim your reward now. The Catizen Meow reward are now available for collection. Hurry up and claim your reward. Staked CATI can also be withdrawn to the exchange with 0 fee. Okay, claim period is 3 days. You have 3 days to claim your reward. Please guys, make sure you claim your reward before then. Okay, if not, it's going to be lost and lost forever. Okay, so between today 24th and 27th of this September. All right, now it's an important note. 1, unclaimed reward will be considered forfeited. So if you don't claim your reward, your token will be gone. After the claim period ends, any unclaimed reward will be eventually redistributed among users who have already claimed their claimed theirs. Okay, and number 2, he said any unwithdrawn CATI will automatically return to the airdrop balance. Are you getting it? So please guys, make sure you claim your reward. If you are given any, it's very important you claim them, no matter how small it is. The token might skyrocket and get to $1 tomorrow or $2 tomorrow. You don't know. I'm just saying guys. All right, now let's dive into this video fully. Okay, let's log into the app. Now for Catizen, I did not get any referral, so I was able to get 10 tokens for this airdrop. All right, I was able to get 10 tokens, so we'll be staking. Before then, let me quickly open my MEXC account, because I will be using MEXC. All right, I'll be using MEXC account. Okay, so I'll be using MEXC account, and deposit. The very first wallet we need is this MEXC wallet, so we can choose either Ethereum or say BNB is currently fastest. So I don't know if I'm doing the right thing guys, because let me use Ethereum, because Ethereum are the blockchain others have been using. Alright guys, so I'll be using the BNB Smart Chain Network, because I don't like Ethereum gas fee problem. Okay, they already said that the withdrawal is free, so unless maybe You don't have this. So let's go back, guys. Okay. So Binance, generate wallet, skip. Then just copy the wallet address. Let's go back and continue the video. Okay, sorry. So let's go back to Catizen. Alright, now when you click on your staked, okay, as you can see, I was able to get 10 token like I said before, and I staked the 10, and then now I can log in and claim my reward. You can see the staking period is over. You can no longer stake any amount. The countdown is over. Okay, now for among these exchanges here, the one you use in that you connected to your Catizen app is the one that you are going to be using. Okay, so for me, I connected MEXC wallet, MEXC exchange, so that's what I'm going to be using. So I click on it, click on OK. Then we can withdraw. We have two buttons here. We can withdraw, we can withdraw, or we can also claim our token. So I was able to get 0.2. So let's see now. To claim, when you click on claim, they need the MEXC user ID and the MEXC token. They said the MEXC coin wallet address. Okay, that's for this one. I already pasted my user ID, so I'll paste in my wallet address now, and then I click on claim. Alright, and then click on confirm. So it has been confirmed. So the next one is then you go back to pool. Now we are now to withdraw. Okay, now click on withdraw. This time around, you click on you put in your MEXC user ID, the CATI wallet address, and memo. All right, now let's see how we can do this. So you come back, click on CATI, click on that CATI wallet address, paste CATI wallet address, copy memo, put memo, put the memo, and then now it has been copied. So put in your user ID, paste your user ID, then click on confirm, and then confirm. Congratulations, guys. So your token will be sent to your wallet by 28th of September. All right, look at it, it's written here. It's written here, right? So that is it, guys. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload new videos. All right, so see you guys. Bye.